to the wrong verse.
Studio 120, John Jay,
It's easy.
Cannibal Tribe, Lobo Hussein, Class 808. Follow me.
I'm on some G shit, I don't wanna be shit. Hit no more besides the kids, what's to live for? Hustling to get more, daily but I'm still poor. Not like them niggas on the curb or them crackers in the burb, living check to check. Me, I'm living day to day, so I gotta find a way. How did this made? Some nice shade I can chill with, the family and build with. My committee that populate the city, a growth of promises, the city where we live and die. Hold our head high even in the rain, overwhelmed by the pain. Who's saying? In this world, she used to be a good girl. Now she go to school high, fucking with the wrong guy. And homie in and out of jail, trying to get the mail, now ain't need it. Few phone calls, he's back to D-cell. Me, I'm on the same shit, getting cash quick, just a bastard. When I was young, I got my ass kicked trying to hang. Now they coming up quicker in the game. Got they body in the motherfucking frame. They was blessed with triple breasted, popping pills, get drunk, smoking loud all night with your car flexing. I'm on some G shit. I don't wanna be shit. Hitting no more besides the kids, what's to live for? Every day we at war, knocking on my front door. Bill collectors, I'm in the back moving my pack. I know I'm more than reckless, but yo, I need a breakfast, lunch and dinner place, some cooks and some rental stays, some pussy I can penetrate from time to time. Wherever I'm not well, it helps me feel divine. These are my troubled mind, now everything is fine. I'm ready for the world, apologies to baby girl, I wasn't in my right mind. I know that you the right kind, we all done and do shit. Walking in the shoes we fit, which way to go, which way do we slip? We don't know until we know sometimes, but do you know sometimes the day will come, but the sun won't shine. You bring your gun, but you won't bust that 9. You ain't about that life, put that away, here goes a cold red stripe. Enjoy the rest of the day while you still can. If I could, I would, young man, put these racks in your hand and take go, get it. Fuck the cops, fuck the block, fuck that punk bitch and any motherfucker hating on you, come up. I hold you down till you come up, and if you slip, I tell you don't trip. It's more where that come from, but that is but a dream. Our reality is seen as a nightmare, quite vividly nightmares. On some G shit. To the wrong verse.
Studio 120, John Jay,
It's easy.
Cannibal Tribe, Lobo Hussein, Class 808. Follow me.
I'm on some G shit.